had several client consults, one about divorce, one about guardianship, and one about estate plan. I handle those areas in the office with the assistance of my associate and a few other remote attorneys. Say it like that. So let me go over the guardianship. Now, the person that called me had been or is the caretaker of their parent. This person is taking care of their parent through the use of a power of attorney, transferred the house to themselves directly, took money out of the parent's bank account and transferred it to that person, to himself directly. Now, this was done through the advice and consent of an elder law attorney, not me, another attorney that took these steps in advance of filing an application for Medicaid. And the reason is, as the caretaker child of a parent, there's a legally permissible method to permit you to file for a Medicaid application and transferring the assets. Now, what is the problem? Well, that in and of itself could be a problem if the assets were transferred with the use of a power of attorney and the parent did not have full capacity, did not have the ability to reason and think and transfer. And what is the intervening event? There is a second child of this parent. So the other child is now up in arms, stating, "You're looking to knock me out and take all of our parents' money." So this was the conversation. This was the exercise. Do we file now for guardianship, or do we attempt to withstand a filing of a guardianship petition from the sibling? What are the repercussions? Is it better to wait and let this person assert or allege that you've taken this misconduct and then defend with, well, this was under the advice and consent of an attorney and our parent is still alive and this was a reasonable transfer? Does that argument hold water? Does it make sense? Is it the appropriate approach? What about if the person that had made these transfers files for guardianship? Well, can you withstand the court? Will any persons involved in the court, will any attorneys for any of the other notice participants, will they say, hey, that transfer was impermissible, and transfer the property back to parent? These are the considerations. They're very fact specific, and we need to take a look at what was done, when it was done, why it was done. And in reality, whether there's a divorce, a guardianship, or any other kind of litigation, those are valuable questions. Why was it done? When was it done? How was it done? And why was it done? When, why, how, right? The three whys questions.